Hello friends, in this video guys, today guys we are going to talk about guys display size setting in our Realme phone guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you customize your display size guys. You want to customize your display size, so as you can customize yourself guys. You can see this big like this large display size guys. You want to customize yourself guys, so as you can customize. So guys, now let's see how to customize display size in our Realme phone guys. In this video guys, I will show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting and guys scroll it. So as you can see display and brightness setting, so I tap here and guys swipe, and guys scroll, and guys you can see font and display size, tap here and guys again scroll. So as you can see a display size, so as you can customize from SL small size and default size and large size. So as guys I will click on small size and apply to customize. So as you can see guys this home like your display size is small display size guys in your Realme phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to customize display size in our Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic guys. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.